Welcome to this short DTL tutorial. Today we're going to focus on an error that sometimes pops up when patrons are trying to access ProQuest databases. So first we're going to go to our databases and notice that I'm in the DTL website, but this also works for the DTL2, Seminary Bookshelf, Global DTL, and others. Any of our digital theological libraries. So first I'm going to go to the databases to access the ProQuest resources. And this works with any of the ProQuest databases. So this is a common screen that pops up. I'm just going to choose the all databases right here. And then you'll be asked to sign in with your school and put your barcode or student ID in as usual. Then when you're trying to access, you'll notice this screen right here. And in the tab, it'll often say access error, which is what gives people pause. But all you have to do is select your institution and it'll automatically say Digital Theological Library. And it doesn't matter if you're DTL1, DTL2, this is for any of the digital theological libraries. I am located in the United States, but whatever country you're in, that's what you want to select. So I will select United States and then log in, and it'll take you to the database. If you have further questions, if you're on the home page, you can get in touch with your librarians by clicking on this link right here. That'll take you to a screen like this, and you select your institution, and it'll give you the email address of your librarian to contact. Have a wonderful day.